Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. We are still in the new year, so I wish you a happy new year and I hope for a better days ahead of all of us. Guys, if you are new, you are warmly welcome. I want to use this platform and this opportunity to say a big thank you to all my subscribers for bringing me this far. This year, we have a lot of amazing recipes to share. So if you are new, subscribe already because you don't want to miss out on these amazing recipes. Lovely people, on our menu today, we have contumely stew or palava sauce. It's a popular and nutritious Ghanaian stew. I want to share my recipe with you all, and I believe you'll be inspired to try this recipe. Without further ado, let me introduce you quickly to the ingredients and let's begin making our stew. I have my chopped white cabbage, my chopped carrot, my chopped shallot. I have 7 eggs, and I have, yeah, there are 7. I have my washed and clean egusi or akatua or melon seed. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, my ginger. I have my chopped cucumber, my chopped red and green bell peppers. I have my chopped white onion. I have my dried mixed herbs, my anise seed, star anise seed, fennel seed, and dried basil. I've also got my salted tilapia and my salted beef. I'm using frozen spinach. You can use the fresh spinach, and I have my king prawns. It's also frozen, guys. I'll keep introducing you all to the rest of the ingredients, so don't go anywhere. Keep watching, all right? I have also got my chicken breasts. I'm going to cut it into pieces, and I've got my chopped tomatoes, and I'm using olive oil for this recipe. So we're going to pour some olive oil in the saucepan. We will leave it for it to sit for some minutes until it heats up. Once it's heated up, we will add our salted beef and salted tilapia. Oh my goodness. We've just begun and the aroma is so magical. I'm going ahead to blend my garlic, my ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, and then my 10 chopped tomatoes. Now I'm adding my chopped white onion. I'm going to blend it and add it to our saucepan. Once that is done, we're going to add it to the saucepan, guys, and look at that. It's really fried and it's so crispy. The aroma is so amazing. The flavor is on top. We are going to add our shallot to continue making our stew. We're going to let the onion fry for some minutes until it's golden brown. That's the color I'm going for. And now I'm adding the blended vegetables. We're going to leave it for it to simmer for some minutes and then we'll cover it up to leave it for it to simmer more. So guys, whilst it's simmering, we're going to go ahead and blend our agushi, akatua, or our melon seed. We are going to add our dried aromatic seasonings to the melon seed or akatua. And now guys, we're adding some salt to taste. We add salt to our melon seed or akatua in order for it to be able to scramble as egg. We're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Once it's blending, we're going to go ahead and check on our stew, and it's smelling amazing. Make sure you keep on stirring periodically in order for it not to burn. And right now, guys, the aroma is so good. We are going ahead to add our blended akatua or melon seed. And again, you add water to wash all the stuck akatua from the blender. Pour it back in the saucepan and give it a good stir. Keep stirring periodically in order not to burn your stew. It's very important at this stage. So now we're going to add our eggs, and I'm using 7 eggs for this recipe. You can use more or even less. It's all up to your preference. So guys, so far, if you're enjoying this video, give your girl a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment, share, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may also be interested in my recipes. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Kindly join our family by clicking on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to get more updates from us. This year, you'll be amazed with the scrumptious recipes I'll be bringing your way. Guys, now we're going to add our prawns, and this will help enrich our stew. It will also bring its flavor to the stew, and this stew will take us to the next level. I love it. I just love the aroma I'm smelling right now. I've covered it up and I will leave it for it to simmer. Once it's simmering, I'm going to add some seasoning to our chicken, and I've just added my chicken seasoning. I'm adding my dark soy sauce. I'm adding oyster sauce, and I'm adding my honey, guys. Someone will say, why honey? I love to add honey to my chicken when I'm seasoning them because of the pleasant and the savory taste it adds to my chicken. Now I'm spraying some chili, garlic, and black pepper on the chicken, and now I'll leave it for it to marinate. I'm checking on my stew, and so far, so good. The aroma is so good, and guys, I'm adding my spinach at this stage. I'm going to give it a good stir for it to combine. But first, I'll let it soak in the stew first, and then it will release itself before I can let it combine. So whilst it's doing that, it's soaking in the stew, I'll go ahead and then fry our chicken. This chicken smells amazing already. It smells so good. I just love the seasoning. Guys, it's so top notch. Wow. Yeah, so now I can stir it and combine. What an amazing aroma. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try and bring me the feedback. So now I've added my fresh spinach. So you can use both the frozen and the fresh spinach, or you can use only the fresh spinach or the frozen spinach. It's all up to you. I'm now adding my tuna in sunflower oil. Oh my goodness, what an aroma. I'm also going ahead to add my red bell peppers, my cucumber, and then my green bell peppers. Guys, we are almost at the end of this video, so go nowhere. In order not to skip a step, we're going to give it a good stir to combine our amazing and aromatic ingredients. Wow, they are so colorful, they're so nutritious, and they are so super tasty. Guys, I am so in love. I'm going ahead to add my white cabbage and then my carrots. Guys, this is amazing. This recipe is amazing. You can all see that it's so nutritious. One stew packed with a lot of nutrients. You can't just skip this. Give it a try and bring me the feedback. We just started the year and I'm sure your family will really love this. Give it a good stir to combine everything properly and nicely. Just leave the stew for it to simmer for some time, and now we are adding our final seasoning. I'm just adding my onga stew seasoning, a little bit of Maggi tablet, and now I'm grating some nutmeg to enhance the flavor. Wow, this is so aromatic. It's done, and it's time to give it a good stir to combine everything and spread all the ingredients evenly. This house smells so magical. Guys, don't just watch the video, but give it a try. And if you are new, hey, I hope you're enjoying this video. So please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this beautiful family, and you will never ever regret it. This year is full of amazing, scrumptious, detailed, and simple recipes. And I promise you will never ever regret it. Okay? Leave the stew for it to simmer for some time to let some of the water dry out and also to bring the oil on top. Once you see these signs, it shows that your stew is ready or almost ready. We are adding our juicy and aromatic chicken breast. And guys, I don't know what's with me and chicken breast these days. But all the same, I love the way I mix them. I love the way I season them and for them to turn out so good. This stew is good. Thank you all for watching. We are all done. This is my simple recipe on how to make palava sauce or contumely stew. I hope you try this recipe and bring me the feedback. Guys, it's time to serve ourselves. And where are your bowls? Where are your plates? Don't worry, I'll do all the tasting for you, okay? All you need to do is to grab yourselves all these ingredients and make some at home. This food is mouth-watering, it's flavorful, this food is inviting, this food is everything that you need for your lunch or dinner, or even for breakfast. Oh my goodness. You can serve your contemporary stew or palava sauce with yam, plantain, cocoyam, rice, guys. So that is it. We are all done, and I'm sure that you are all inspired to try this recipe. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new and join our beautiful family. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed and be safe in these hard times. Chop time. Yes, friend. Bon appetit. Enjoy. I love you all. Stay blessed. Mwah. Bye, y'all.